Alright, hey y'all, welcome back. Thanks so much for tuning in to the Nut House. Y'all know I appreciate y'all. And if you don't know, girl, you gonna know today. Hey sis, hey, how you doing? How mom and them doing? Tell them I say, hey, what's up? Get them collard greens ready for a sister, cause I'll be over there, girl. And don't forget, don't skimp out on me with the cornbread, cause I'm gonna need my cornbread. But anyway, look at here. We come today to do some nails, alright? That's what we gonna do today. Look, I'm going in, y'all. I'm gonna do something totally different, but how y'all been? I greatly appreciate each and every last one of y'all. I just said that, so yep, I really do. I really do. Anyway, look, girl, I was like, okay, I had a headache earlier, right? And I ain't even feel like doing no acrylic nails, right? So I was just like, dang, I ain't get my nails done in a minute. So I was like, okay, look, I'm gonna have to do my nails. Cause girl, look, check this out. And don't judge me. Don't go judging me. I know what I'm doing over here, okay? Look, I hurt my finger, right? My nail has split all the way down here. So I had to not be wearing nails for a minute. And girl, you already know what that do to a lady. Right? Because we got to have our nails done. We got to be looking flat at all times, right? So what had happened was, I was like, alright, I'm just going to go ahead and leave that nail bare for a while. But girl, I'm telling you, I can't be walking around here snagging nail looking all crazy and stuff. So I said, you know what? Forget that. It done grew out. It ain't hurting no more. You know what I'm saying? That's just all dead skin right there. This little tip right here is just ready to fall off. I could do my nails. I'm tired of walking around looking all crazy and stuff. So what I said I was going to do was, okay, back to this. I had a headache earlier, right? So I was like, okay, I don't feel like messing with no acrylics. I don't want to mess with the films, okay? So I'm going to go in. I'm using this here builder gel, girl. This is by Madam Glam. So what I'm going to do is, I'm going to go in using this builder gel. I just said that, but I'm going to say it again. We're going in using this builder gel, girl. Alright, so I'm going to go in with the base first, alright? And then I'm going to go in with my clear builder gel. And then, girlfriend, look, we're going to go in, we're going to do this here. I'm going to use this here build decor in such a way. But I'm going to see what I come up with, girl. Because I'm just so tired of walking around here all bare nailed and stuff. Looking all crazy. Hands look all jacked up. So let me go ahead and get started. Girl, go and get you something to eat on, something to drink on. Now, this ain't going to be no old extravagant nail set, you know, and all that stuff. You know, it's just a regular little nail design. You know, a little nail set. I just want to do me some nails. I'm tired of looking like this, alright? Just work with me, okay? So what the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to go in. I'm going to, hold on, girl, let me spray these little nails down with something first, girl. They, you know what? Let me go in here and scratch on me a bar of soap first, girl. Get them all clean because they look a little dirty here. Hold on. Give me a minute, girl. Give me a minute. Okay, so now since I got the nails all cleaned up, and I'm going to go in, girl, and I'm going to push these here cuticles back just a tad bit like that there. Yeah, that's what I'm going to do. And I'm going to push these here back. I just said that again. Something wrong with me today. I don't know what's going on with me. I mean, I'm just repeating myself. I'm sounding like a little robot over here. I don't know. But yeah, so I'm going to push these here. And I said one more again. Girl, if I said one more again, I'm just going to drop the mic and just call it quits. Alright, but look here. These are the nail tips that I'm going to use. I absolutely love these nail tips. I even labeled these nail tips as my fave babes. Call me crazy, girl. Call me what you want to call me. But I love my nail tips. Okay. Okay. Anyway, so I'm going to keep on pushing these here back. And, yeah, y'all go ahead and tell me how your day went. I can hear you. Don't worry about that. Girl, for real. See, wait, slow down now. You're going too fast now. Somebody like, shut up, girl, I ain't even start talking. But anyway, that's what I want to do right there, okay? So now, what I'm going to do is I'm going to brush that off. I need me another brush. Hold on. Where is my belongings at, girl? Okay? Now, I ain't going to say this too many times around here. Y'all going to hear my chest squeak, so never you mad it. Don't be thinking I'm over here doing that, because I'm not. Somebody like, dang, girl, all this stuff you be buying, you need to buy you a whole new chair or some WD-40 or something, because that chair is making some old messed up noises. Shut up. Anyway, look at here. So that's what I'm going to do. I didn't say what I was going to do. Told y'all something is wrong with me today. I ain't afraid to say it. Girl, I hope you don't hear my fan. You probably hear my fan, girl. I'm sorry. It's just right up above me, girl. And it's hot in here. I just got to have my fan on, sis. I apologize for that. But look, now since I pushed those cuticles back, what I'm going to do... Hold on, Greg. I got my damn tongue. See, I can't even talk around here. This is ridiculous. Okay, look at here. I'm going to go in Hold on, let me find my little nail drill big thing here. I'm gonna go in. Let me see. I'm gonna go in with this here fan right here. This is a fan. Better look. You look like a fan. So I'm gonna go in. Let me use this here little thing first, okay? It's all over the place there. I'm gonna go in and try and get this here little skin from around here. You have to be careful using this thing right here, because it'll snatch your meat, girl. You mess around, you be somewhere bleeding, and you don't want to do all that. And now the reason I say that, because it has happened to me, and so you just have to be extra careful when you use stuff like this here. Now I know you got them little nipper things, but girl, I don't feel like reaching over here to find man. That's just pure laziness, I know, but that's just what it is, girl. So I mean, I'm not going to too much worry about all this, because I'm not trying to keep these nails on that long no way, okay? So yeah, whatever. Don't come judging me. So now I'm going to go in, girl, with my Melody Susie. I love this drill. I love this drill, girl. This is a fine bit, okay? I had told y'all before where I got these caps from. If you need to know, girl, don't worry about it, sis. I'm going to leave them down in the description below. Okay, and this here is what protects your drill from getting a lot of dust in it, okay? That's why I use these here on my drill bits. Alright? Okay. So let me lock her. And see, what I do is I kind of pull her up just a tad bit, so this here little plastic won't be rubbing up against my drill. You know what I'm saying? You know what I'm saying, girl. So I'm going to close it like that. Make sure she in there good. Turn her on. Okay, and she's on medium. Listen to her hum, girl. She humming, baby. And now I'm gonna now let me turn her down, girl, a little bit, cause there we go. I'm gonna turn her down just a little bit so I can go across the nails ever so lightly, like this here, just to get a little shine off my nails. Okay. Now I don't know if I told y'all before. I think this drill is like 28,000 RPM. It's not really like 30,000 RPM, but it's still got a nice torque to it, so it be twerking. It be twerking, girl. So for the most part, my little middle finger right here, that probably be the first nail that pop off, but I ain't gonna worry about it, because I don't plan to keep these nails on that long, no way. Switches them up all the time, girl. Switches them up all the time. That's the beautiful perks of being your own nail tech. Ha-ha. Okay. All right, I'm going to go in with Madam Glam's base coat. And I am going to apply one thin coat across my nails. And I'm going to cure this, girl, in my UV lamp for at least about maybe 30 seconds. Yeah, I'm going to do that. This is just the base. And the base... Girl, hold on. Look at that. My air fryer done stopped. And my phone is beeping. Somebody texting me. Hold on, y'all. So now I'm going to go in and add another thin layer of base coat gel. So now I'm going to cure this here for 30 seconds. Be right back. I'm going in with Builder Coral by Madam Glam, alright?